everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about voltage drop and how to test it. So voltage drop, if you're unaware, is the voltage that's being lost between the source and the consumer. Um, the easiest example to give would be a starter because it goes kind of directly to the battery. So if you're losing voltage between the battery and the starter, the car is not going to start, or the starter is going to turn slow, and it's going to eventually burn up the starter because the resistance builds heat builds resistance, and it just kind of compounds. So in order to check for voltage drop, what you have to do is turn your meter to volts, like DC volts, and put one lead, usually the black lead, on the source, and then the red lead on the desired consumer. And then you're going to have someone crank the car and see what your reading is when it's being cranked, and that will be your amount of voltage drop. Now you should be very close to zero on your voltage drop. Anything up to about 0.3 of a volt is acceptable, and that goes for the ground side as well. But you have to check voltage drop in sections, so you have to do it hot side and then ground side. So hopefully this will help. If you're unaware of how to check for voltage drop, that this will be a good description for you. And let me know in the comments what else you'd like to know about automotive diagnostics and what else you'd like to see done. I've been very busy lately. I haven't had a lot of cars that aren't repeat things I've already done. So I'd like to get some new videos out here, and just let me know what else you'd like to see. I'll try my best to get them done. Leave me some comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch some more of my videos, and I'll see you next time. And you have a good day.